Today's positive trading was the proof that the pullback last week in the Dow, which was very decisive, as can be seen with the doji type days. Today's positive trading did a doji gap up through the T line, telling us as long as we're above the T line, the uptrend is still in progress. More compelling for analyzing investor sentiment was the Nasdaq all last week. Even when the Dow and S&P 500 were selling off, they couldn't close the Nasdaq below the T line. We've now got a good visual analysis. Here we have wave one, kind of wave two, now potentially ready to go into wave three, which could mean a few more weeks of bullish markets. So we go after the patterns. Notice on AB or AKBA, so you had a left-right combo, bullish confirmation on Friday, creating a J-hook type pattern. We were buying on positive trading today, confirming this signal. And after hours, apparently they announced something and they're trading up here near the $14 range. Not that we were expecting that, but the benefit of candlestick analysis is it identifies where the strength is coming from as far as the bulls and the bears, creating patterns, and at least puts you in the right direction at the right time. The pattern breakouts, as we can see illustrated in our recommendation on Nvidia, on the best friend signal, which was a doji gap up, and notice where it gapped up, off the T line and through this downtrending channel. Because we know the nature of investor sentiment based upon these type of patterns, it allows us to take advantage of much more stronger positions like this versus just slow uptrending situations. And it also gets through the mental adversity that a lot of people say, well, shoot, I don't want to buy a stock that's up 3, 5, 10, 15, 20%. Candlestick analysis allows you to get into those positions knowing that those are the signals and patterns that are going to create much more upside potential. That same type of simple visual analysis was why we recommended VRX last week. Notice the kicker signal. A very strong candlestick signal coming out of a fry pan bottom pattern off the T line through the 50, telling us there was still a lot more upside potential in this trade. This is not rocket science. Candlestick signals are the graphic depiction that what goes on or shows what's going on in human nature that occurs time after time, century after century. It puts you in the right positions at the right time. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.